Stability AI is a company of builders who are passionate about creating open AI tools that can help people like you reach their full potential. The organization is dedicated to exploring new ideas and turning them into solutions that have real-world applications. According to their website, the team at Stability AI believes in the value of collaboration and working across multiple teams to achieve their full and most significant advances. The company is known for its willingness to challenge established norms and embrace technology and creativity. They prioritize innovation over tradition. Stability AI values diversity and encourages open-mindedness, believing that different perspectives can lead to stronger solutions. They are committed to supporting open-source AI research and offer early model access, compute, and other grants to advance the field of AI. The communities of Stability AI are made up of experts, leaders, and partners from around the world who are working on cutting-edge open AI models for a variety of fields, including image, language, audio, video, 3D, and biology. These individuals are committed to advancing the field of AI and making significant contributions to the development of new technologies. Now, a bit of history. Stability AI was founded in 2020 by Imad Mustak, with the goal of becoming the world's first community-driven open-source artificial intelligence company. The company aims to address the lack of organization within the open-source AI community and provides a platform for researchers, developers, and other members of the community to collaborate and share ideas and resources. Stability AI is committed to advancing the field of AI and promoting the development of innovative technologies that can have a positive impact on society. Now, everybody knows about Stable Diffusion. Stability AI is the developer of Stable Diffusion, which is a powerful free open-source text-to-image generation. It was founded in 2019 and it's based in London, UK. Stable Diffusion is a deep learning model that was released in 2022. It is designed to generate detailed images based on text descriptions, but it can also be used to do tasks such as in-painting, out-painting, generating image-to-image translations, guided by some text prompts. Stable Diffusion uses artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to analyze and interpret text input and generate corresponding images. It's a powerful tool for generating images from text descriptions and has potential to revolutionize the way we create and manipulate images. Stable Diffusion's code and model weights are available in the public domain, and they can be run on some of the consumer hardware. And as long as you have a modest to solid GPU of at least 8 gigabytes of VRAM, this is a departure from previous proprietary text-to-image models such as the DALL-E and Midjourney, which were only accessible through cloud services. And we will have special videos to talk about the Midjourney, talk about also the DALL-E. There are many technological advancements that have contributed to the development of generative artificial intelligence. But one of the significant ones is what's known as diffusion models. These models are based on thermodynamic concepts. They have gained widespread attention in recent years and have become the go-to approach for most of the generative image applications that you see out there. Diffusion models learn by corrupting their training data with noise and then learning how to reverse this process in order to recover the original image. Once trained, these models can then use what is known as denoising techniques to generate new, clean data from random input. Many people do text-to-image generation, such as the DALL-E, Image 2 Gen, and Midjourney. They also use diffusion models. Another notable player in this space is Stability AI, the company which is behind Stable Diffusion model, a powerful, free, open-source text-to-image generation which was released around August of 2022. That's when it became like a beta version and more accessible to everybody. Stable Diffusion, like many of its counterparts, is designed to enable billions of people to instantly create stunning art. The model is based on the work of CompVis and the Runway teams, which has a widely used latent diffusion model in the past, as well as some insights from Catherine Cronson, the lead generative AI developer at Stability AI, and other models such as DALL-E 2 and OpenAI and Imagen by Google Brain. The core dataset was trained on what is called as LAION, okay, and that is a subset of the 5B that was created using a clip-based model that filtered the 5B based on ratings and how beautiful an image was from alpha testers of Stable Diffusion. On consumer GPUs, the Stable Diffusion uses less than 10 gigabyte of VRAM to generate images which are 512 by 512. And this is how the Stable Diffusion 1.5 model was based on that particular ratio. Now, when it comes to the generation of these images, they usually take few seconds, and they made it possible for researchers to eventually put this out in the public domain, which is really good because people can actually start using it on their machines for free. Stable Diffusion was trained on Stability AI's 4000A100 Ultra cluster, and it has been tested at scale by more than 10,000 beta testers who have created 1.7 million images a day. One of the key distinguishing features of Stable Diffusion is its emphasis on open source. All of the details of the AI model, including the model's weights, have been made public and can be accessed and used by anyone. Unlike other AI art generators like DALL-E and Midjourney, Stable Diffusion have no filters or limitations on what it can generate, including harmful or inappropriate content. The model can be run on users' own machine, not just API, which democratizes image generation. Stable Diffusion is a software tool developed by OpenAI, which allows users to train and run their own AI models. The tool was first introduced in 2020 and has ever since become a popular choice among developers and researchers, including those who are looking to improve the performance and stability of their AI models. The main goal of Stable Diffusion is to make it easier for users to experiment and with different architectures and techniques, build different images of AI models. This is achieved by using a number of advanced techniques such as hyperparameter optimization and regularization. Hyperparameter optimization allows users to automatically find the best set of parameters for their model, while regularization helps to prevent overfitting and improve the model's ability to generalize. Stable Diffusion works by using a process called diffusion, which is a method of training AI models that is based on the idea of gradually smoothing the model parameters over time. This helps prevent the model from getting stuck in a suboptimal state, and it helps it getting approved variation step by step. Additionally, the tool also includes a number of other advanced techniques such as weight decay, dropout, weight normalization. One of the main advantages of Stable Diffusion, in my opinion, is that it allows users to easily experiment with different architectures and techniques. This can simply be done by adjusting parameters in the interface of the model, maybe a new layers to the architecture. It just makes it much easier to work with and much more flexible. Additionally, the tool can allow users to easily visualize the training process and track the progress of the model in real time. In conclusion, Stable Diffusion is really a powerful tool. It can help developers like me and you, or researchers, to improve performance and stability of their AI models. With its advanced techniques and easy-to-use interface, especially if you use things like the Automatic 1111, which is a web-based tool that can sit on top of Stable Diffusion, and also there's Invoke AI, which is a newer kid in the block, and there might be much more web interfaces to support Stable Diffusion in the future. With all these at hand, it just makes things much easier to develop and would definitely take your work to the next level.